Okay, so here's his RHEEM Trane and run-through heat pumps running. Here's his RHEEM. Really small unit. And shout out to my friend Langman for requesting a video. So yeah, here you go. It's got culprit. I mean, it's working great. I think he does have a culprit school actually, but it's oh, it's an air conditioner. Never mind. There's two heat pumps. This was an air conditioner. There you go. Just shut off. But it's a 1.5 ton from December 2005. And that train just shut off too. Climb tough. 2011 2-ton. XR13. Let's try for this run through. Okay, very quiet. Working great. Actually working amazing. Yeah. Fan motors right here. Yeah. Screen that just shut off. There's like a scroll in it. Open. Here's this run through. Very quiet. Just gonna call probably Alliance School. I think that's Broad Ocean fan motor or something like that. Looks like it. There's my tripod on that one. Looking great. Two-ton heat pump from April 2022. I don't know what it replaced. I wish you a couple years ago, before it got replaced, I think it was like an American Standard or a Trane or something like that. Yeah. The logo's gone. But I'm gonna install a run through. I'm just gonna say run through. So yeah. Here's a good look at the reversing valve for this train. The reverse valve for the run through. So that's a little different. Like normally trains have reversing valves and that. Oh, 3 shutdowns. Alright. Oh yeah, there's a better look at the Alliance scroll. So yeah. There was one RHEEM heat pump and 2 Trane and run through heat pumps all shutting down. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.